It's here. It's totally here. It's right in front of me. Feast your eyes.
So this is Onewheel Pint.
The Onewheel Pint. As in pint-sized. Oh my god. It's so tiny.
So it's smaller. It's about 10 or 15% smaller than any of the Onewheels yet.
Don't let the size fool you though. This thing is every bit as rowdy and fun to ride as its bigger brothers. This is insane. This feels so much more free and light.
It's super nimble. I think it's a little bit poppier than maybe I was even expecting. I compare it to like feels like a little rally car.
The only downsides here are that it's slightly less powerful than the XR and it can only do about 6 to 8 miles on a full charge. So in other words, it's basically on par with the Onewheel Plus. You don't even really notice that there's like less power or anything, it's just as quick. But what the Pint lacks in power, it makes up for with agility and smart design.
The fact that you can bob and weave around cars, around people, really...
Around parallel parkers. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh yeah, threading the needle, baby. The first thing you'll notice while riding is that it's way more nimble and playful under your feet. It might only be a few pounds lighter than before, but the difference is immediately apparent when you hop on. It's kind of like switching from a canoe to a kayak. You suddenly just feel more free and unencumbered.
So I can see this being like way more convenient for people who commute, right? Like if you're not exclusively one-wheeling to work and you want to like pick it up and carry it places, this is a way better option, I feel like. Just because it's so much lighter, but it's like the same riding experience.
Tight turns, weaving through pedestrians, and popping off curbs. It was all easy on the original Onewheel, but it's even easier on the Pint. On top of that, it's also outfitted with a bunch of new features that make it a more convenient companion.
It's got this handle integrated, so it's like pretty easy to take with you to go. And this LED strip here is an indication of battery. It also will show you it's also pressure sensitive, so like if I'm on this side, this light will be blue. If I'm on that side, this light will be blue. If I'm both,
Whoa.
it will display that. So just kind of a visual indication of what's going on with that sense pad.
And Future Motion even baked in some new software that makes dismounting easier than ever before.
To dismount on a Onewheel, you have to get your heel off of the front pad, right?
Yeah.
This one, you'll notice, if I just lean backwards, it just sets me down.
Oh wow.
So this actually has what we call simple stop, which makes it a lot easier for new riders, such as my mom, to get off, which just allows you to like get going much quicker.
All that, and it's only $950. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's still a lot of money, but it's drastically more affordable than not only the XR, but also most of the high-end electric skateboards on the market right now. In my eyes, it's a no-brainer. If you want a rideable device but don't want to break the bank, look no further than the Onewheel Pint. All right, now you gotta ride it.
You want to see? Here. Ready?
你找我呀？我先给你，别过来。